Okay, we're going to show you how to take these filters out of this canister now. You got two speed handles here, one here, one here. Loosen them up, slide them out of the way, and your lid just opens up. You got a manifold in here, air tank, and your filters are underneath here. You got two more speed handles. You're going to loosen them, take them all the way off. Then you're going to pull your manifold out of here, out of the way. Hold it out of the way. And then your filters come right out.
When you're cleaning your filters, you want to blow them either out with air or water. If you choose to use air, no more than 100 psi max, and you want to blow them out from the inside out initially. If you decide to use water, you want to make sure that you're using garden hose and not too much pressure or your pressure wand or anything like that. They have to be completely dry before you put them back in. Putting them back in is as simple as you took them out. Ensuring that they're properly seated ensures you don't get any carryover to your blower, destroying it.
All these gaskets should be nice and level in here. They shouldn't be sitting up. If they're sitting up at an angle or something, you're sitting on the ring. And then if you put your manifold down, then it's not going to seal.
Right. And to install the manifold, exactly like you took it off. Tighten down those speed handles, make sure you got a good seal, and then you have just cleaned your filters. Right now is just ensuring that he's got a good mating surface on there, and he's tightening down the speed handles to lock it into place.
Once you get these things tight, the filter should not move under there. So make sure once you get this tight, you check them to make sure that they're nice and sturdy and they're not moving around. If they're moving around, then they're not sealed right.
And that's how you clean and maintain your filters. Any questions, please feel free to reach out to VacMasters directly.